Come test drive the 2019 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling. So here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.